Good day, kids! Today, we will talk about adjective. And before that, let's have a short review on noun and pronoun. Okay, here. What is noun? Anybody? Can you still remember about noun? Yes? Okay, say it again. Yes, it is a name of person, thing. Yes? Animal? Yes, another? Place? What else? Okay, here. A noun is a word that refers to a name of person. That is correct. Your answer is correct. Thing, place, animal, event, and idea. Okay? Can you still remember that? Yes. A word again. Everybody read. A word that refers to a name of person, thing, place, animal, event, and idea. That is a, yes, very good. That is a noun. Okay? Next one. What is pronoun? Here. What is pronoun? Anybody? Who can guess? Yes, she. What else? Oh, he. What else? Yes. Okay, what is pronoun again? Pronoun, here, it is a word that replaces a noun. Like what you said, she. You answered she. Yes, that is correct. That word is a pronoun that replaces the name of a girl or boy, or male or female. She, the word she. Yes, a female or a girl. That replaces the name of a girl. Example, Giselle. So, we will use she to replace the name of Giselle. How about Marco? What we will use? What pronoun we will use to replace the name of Marco? Yes, very good. She. She? No, that is he. Marco is a? Yes, Marco is a boy. So, the pronoun to be used to replace the name of Marco is he. Okay? Okay, very good. What about animals? Animal. Yes, it. The word it or the pronoun it replaces the name of animal. Okay? Now, let's proceed about adjective. Okay, here. What is adjective? Who can guess? Anybody from the class? Who can guess about what is adjective? Okay? No? Okay? Who can guess? Okay, let's proceed now. I give you an example. Here. Example number 1. Look at the girl. Look at the lady. What can you say about the lady? Or what can you say about the girl? Yes, beautiful. What else? Yes, pretty. Okay, here. The girl is pretty. Again, the girl is pretty. The underlined words here are girl and pretty. Okay, here. The girl. Is it a noun or pronoun? Yes, that is a noun. Noun. How about the pretty? Huh? Okay, here. The girl is a noun. And the word pretty is what we call the adjective. That is an adjective. Pretty is an adjective. Okay. What is being described with the word pretty? Yes, the girl. Very good. Okay. Okay, next example. Another one. Notice one. A bag. What can you say about the bag? Yes, big bag. What else? Yes, red. Red color. Yes. Okay, here. The bag is red. Everybody? The bag is red. Okay. The underlined words here are bag and red. Okay, the word bag. Yes, very good. Bag is a name of thing. That is a noun pronoun. Yes, very good. That is a noun. That is a name of thing. And here, Yes, very good. Another one here. The word adjective is, the word red is the adjective. What is being described with the word red? Yes, very good. The bag. The bag is red. Okay? Next one. The dog is cute. Look at here. The dog is cute. Okay. The dog is, yes, noun. And the word cute is here. Yes, very good. Adjective. So what is being described with the word cute? Yes, the dog. Dog is a name of? Very good. Name of animal. And that is a? Yes, noun. Okay, very good. Another one. Look at the boy. What can you say about the boy? Okay, here. The boy. Okay, here. The boy is smart. Okay, here. The pronoun is coming up. Okay, here. He is? Yes, a pronoun. Pronoun. That replaces the name of a person. Example a while ago is about the name Marco. So we use he to replace the name of Marco. If you can say this one, Marco is smart, or he is smart. He replaces the name of Marco because he is a boy. Okay, very good. And the word smart is the, yes, that is the adjective that describes the pronoun. The he, the word he, that is a pronoun, or that describe about Marco. Okay, here another one. Okay, look at the girl. What can you say about the girl? Okay, anybody? Yes, very good. The girl is happy. Let's say. Yes, the girl is happy. Now, what word can replace the name of the girl? Yes, very good. She. She is a noun or pronoun? Yes, pronoun. The word she is a pronoun. Okay, and the word happy is the adjective. Okay, so we have seen different examples about adjective. Now, what is adjective? What can you say about adjective? Anybody? Example here, she is happy. The word happy describes about, yes, about the pronoun she, right? Okay, describe about the she, describe about the pronoun she. Or a while ago we talked about Giselle, so it modifies or describes about Giselle. Example, this is Giselle. Giselle is happy. The word happy describes about Giselle, and the word she replaces the name of Giselle, and this is the pronoun. Okay, gets? Very good. Okay, now again, what is adjective? Yes, anybody? Yes, describe. Who is being described by the adjective? Yeah, yes. She. What do you call this? She. Yes, pronoun. Another one? Yes, the noun. Very good. Okay, here. What is adjective here? An adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. Okay? Yes? Oh, yes. With the previous examples, you can see the word, the noun and the pronoun being described by the adjective, different describing words, but it describes about the noun and pronoun. Okay? Yes. Here, another. Several adjectives often appear in one sentence. Our examples here, just one adjective, but there are different, there are sentences that we use several adjectives. Example. Yes, example about Zoe. Zoe has a long, yes, long shiny hair. Again, Zoe has a long shiny hair. What are the adjectives in the sentence? Yes, very good. Long. Another one? Yes, shiny. So in a sentence, we can find several adjectives in a sentence modifying same noun or pronoun, or describing same pronoun or noun. Example, What is being described with long hair, long and shiny hair? Yes, Zoe. Okay? Next one. More than one adjective may describe the same noun or pronoun. Like for example, this a while ago about Zoe. We talk about we are describing about Zoe has a long and shiny hair. So we are describing one noun or same person, Zoe. And we have several adjectives like long and shiny. Okay? Gets? Very good. Okay, here. An adjective answers this question. What kind? When we say what kind, you can answer that in a green, round, old, round, or strong. Or green, it mentions about color. And another one, old, round, and strong. Okay? Here, answer the question, what kind? Usually precede nouns or follow linking verbs, like linking verbs. Example, yes, the bag is red, right? The word is the linking verb that follows the adjective red. Okay, that mentions about color. Okay? Okay, here. It is also placed as close as possible to noun or pronoun they modify. Okay, very close to the noun. Okay, here. Oh, yes. Okay, example here. Another example. For the color, let's talk about the color. Describing about the color of a thing. Color of a person. Color of a place. Color of animal. Is there a color of the place? Okay, here. Example number 1 for the color. Okay, another bag here. Is it red? No. What's the color of the bag? Okay, here. The bag is pink. The bag is pink, everybody. Yes, the bag is pink. There are still two words here being underlined. Okay, the word bag is, yes, noun. And the word pink is the adjective that describes about the color. What kind of bag? Pink bag. I have pink bag, or the bag is pink. That describes about the color, right? Okay, example, red, blue, yellow. That mentions about color. That is also still an adjective. That describes the word bag, the thing bag, okay? Here, another one. Another example. Size. It mentions about size. Big, huge, large, little, short, small, cute. What else? Okay, here. The house. What can you say about the house? Yes, very good. Big. The house is big. Okay, here. The house is, yes, noun. Meaning is. What is? Yes, very good. Linking verb. And the adjective follows right after. So, the adjective is very close to the word house. That is the noun. That being described by the word big, or by the adjective big. And it describes about the, here, size. Okay? So, color, size, another one here. Okay, another example. It describes about or modifies about the shape. Okay, here. Okay, what can you say about the ball? Yes, the ball is round. Yes, the ball is round. Okay, so what is the adjective here in the sentence? Yes, very good. The round. And it describes about the shape. Very good. Okay. Color, size, this one shape, another one here. Taste. Okay, bitter, sour, sweet, tangy, and tart. Okay, example. You know what is this? Yes, ampalaya. What can you say about ampalaya? Yes, ampalayas are bitter. Pait. Okay. The word bitter is the adjective that mentions about the taste of the ampalaya. Okay, taste, huh? Remember, taste. That's we are in 4. The color, the size, the shape, the taste. right? Okay, next one. The other. The other. Here, flowers. Red flowers. Okay, flowers are fresh. Okay, the order of the flowers. Red flowers are fresh. Or if you will say flowers are red, yes, the word red still is an adjective that mentions about the color. And here, flowers are fresh. The word fresh is still an adjective that mentions about the odor of the flowers. Okay, right? Okay. Another one. Texture. Bumpy, fiery, slimy, smooth, and squeezy. Okay, here's an example. Do you know what is this? Kugita. What is in English of kugita? Okay, octopus. Octopus. This is octopus because it has 8 tentacles here. Na walang uban. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other one is the other side. That is octopus. It has 8 tentacles. Okay, what can you say about the octopus? Okay, danglog. Yes. What is danglog? Here. Just the letters, the words here. Yes. Okay, here. Octopus is slimy. Danglog. Kanang danglog. That is slimy. Okay. The word octopus is, yes, a noun, a name of animal. And the word being described is the octopus, and the word slimy is the, yes, adjective. Slimy. That is describes about the texture of the octopus. Okay, here another one. The sound of adjective also can be a sound. Okay, you know what is this? Yes, xylophone. What can you say about the xylophone? Okay, xylophone is loud. Loud. The word loud here is an adjective that describes about the xylophone, and that mentions about the sound of a thing. Xylophone is a thing. Okay, next one. Weather. In our science, weather. What are the 5 weather conditions experienced in the Philippines? Yes, sunny, cloudy, windy, stormy, and rainy. Okay, here. Okay, look at the girl. What can you say about the weather? Yes, very good. The weather is rainy. Very good. Okay, here. Let's check. Today is rainy, or the weather for today is rainy. The word rainy is an adjective that describes about the weather today, right? Okay. Okay, very good. That is the weather. Okay. How about adjective also describes about number. Numbers here. Okay, how many balls? Huh? Yes, there are 2 balls. There are 2 round balls. Yes, the 2 and the round is still an adjective. 2 adjectives in a sentence that describing the same thing, the ball. Okay, here. I have 2 balls. Okay, the word 2 here is the adjective. Okay, that mentions about the number of the balls being described, right? Okay. Yes, number. Okay, now. How many? 2, few, 300, 2/3, all, some. That mentions about how many or how much mentions still an adjective, or maybe numbers or words. You can mention the numbers, describing numbers by number, a figure, or a words. Pwede words, 2 nga words, or number nga words. Okay, next one. Adjectives that tells how many or how much. Here, and adjectives are words that describe or tell about nouns. Some adjectives tell how many or how much. Example, he gave me 5 pencils. As I've said, it can be a number or a word, or a figure or a word. Example here, he gave me 5 pencils. Okay, how many pencils? Yes, 5. You can write it here 5, word 5 or figure number 5 or the word 5 pencils. Okay? Adding some sugar will make the coffee tastier. How much sugar? Yes, some sugar. An adjective that tells how many or how much comes before the noun it describes. Example, mag-una daw. Comes before the noun it describes. Here. Where is the noun here? Where is the noun being described here? He gave me pencils. Yes, how many yes, pencil. How many pencils? 5. Okay, again. An adjective that tells how many and how much comes before the noun it describes. Comes before. Sadi pa ang noun it describes. Yes, the noun being described here is a pencil. And here is the adjective that comes before the noun. Okay? Okay, guys? Very good. Okay. Another one. Adjectives answer these questions. How many or how much, what kind, or which one. When we say how many or how much, we will use some, few, many, several, lots, for. Okay? And what kind? Green, crunchy, smooth, new, smart, beautiful. Like several examples a while ago. Which one? It can be 7, any, those, this, all, next. Those are the words can be used as adjective. Okay? Okay, next one. Now, let's all remember that adjective is a word that modify or describe a noun or pronoun. Everybody, read it again. Okay? Adjective is a word that modify or describe a noun or pronoun. Okay, read it again, everybody. Okay? Adjective is a word that modify or describe a noun or pronoun. Okay? Okay, very good. Here, let's have an assessment. If you understand the lesson, here. Encircle the noun and underline the adjective in a sentence. Again, encircle the noun and underline the adjective in a sentence. Okay? How will you answer that one? Yes, very good. You encircle, linginan, ang noun and underline the adjective. O bagisan ang adjective. Here, number 1. That is 1 to 8. Number 1, the ghost film was scary. The tower is tall. The watch is blue. The lady is sad. The notebook is thick. The baby is lovely. I have 4 pets. And jackfruit is rough. Okay, here. Answer this in, yes, 10 minutes. Okay, done? Now, let's proceed to your assignment here. For your assignment, look at the picture. What can you say about the picture? Yes, there are so many fruits. This is a fruit stand that displays several fruits. Yes, look at this one. Okay, now for your assignment, say something about the picture. Write 5 sentences using describing words. So what can you say about the picture here? Write in 5 sentences using describing word. Or what can you say about the apple, the orange, the bananas, the pineapple? Okay, here. So you write it in 5 sentences using describing words. Okay? Okay? Okay. Thank you very much, kids, and goodbye.